Elon Musk spreads cheer in China amidst electric vehicle buzz. Hey there. It's Elon Musk making waves again, but this time in the bustling streets of China.
Huge tornado
Picture
northeast of
this,
Lincoln, Nebraska.
amidst the glitz and glam of the
254.
Beijing Auto Show, where carmakers are flaunting their latest electric vehicle creations, in strolls our very own Tesla titan, Elon Musk. Sunday saw Mr. Musk rubbing shoulders with none other than Chinese Premier Li Qiang himself. They chatted about the good stuff, like hoping for more collaboration between the U.S. and China. Premier Li even gave a nod to Tesla's success story in China, saying it's the epitome of how two big players can team up for a win-win situation. Talk about a pat on the back. Now, let's rewind a bit. China's been feeling a bit blue lately with all the tough talk from us officials. But guess what? Musk's visit brought some much-needed sunshine. It's like a breath of fresh air amidst all the political chatter. Premier Li's warm words also show how China's rolling out the welcome mat for foreign investments, hoping to jazz up its economy. But here's the twist. While the big shots were exchanging pleasantries, the real action was at the auto show. Picture sleek electric cars vying for attention, each one trying to outshine the other. And guess who's in the spotlight? Yep, Tesla's got some competition from local Chinese automakers who've been churning out their own electric wonders. It's like a showdown, but with cars. Rumor has it that Musk got a special invite from the China Council for the promotion of international trade. He even had a powwow with their president, Ren Hongbin, to talk shop and probably swap some cool ideas. Let's talk business. Tesla's got a sweet deal going on in Shanghai, where they're churning out cars like nobody's business. From selling to the local Chinese market to shipping rides off to Europe, they're on fire. And get this, they just dropped their prices in China. The Model 3 and Model Y are now more affordable, making electric dreams even more accessible. It's like a sale you can't resist, but hold on to your seats. The plot thickens. The European Union's got its eyes on China's electric car subsidies. There's talk of tariffs that could affect Tesla too. It's like a game of chess, with each move setting off ripples in the global market. Speaking of markets, China's the big fish in the pond. Everyone's eyeing a slice of that pie, from Volkswagen to Nissan. They're hustling to roll out their own electric rides, trying to keep up with the ever-changing landscape of the automobile world. It's like a race, with everyone gunning for the top spot in the world's biggest car market. So, there you have it, folks. Elon Musk strutting his stuff in China, while electric vehicles take center stage at the Beijing Auto Show. It's a whirlwind of excitement, innovation, and a dash of politics thrown in for good measure. Who knows what surprises the future holds? But one thing's for sure, this electric revolution is just getting started.